Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make $1,000 per day by posting motivational videos. There are easy ways to make income with extremely good writing. In this video, we will show you how to make these videos and the secret to getting significant more views. The music is critical to drive the video and give it emotions. A rhythmic sound is a must-have for all serious content creator. Choose a subcategory that makes the most sense for the purpose of the motivational videos. Go to other motivational videos and find who the speakers are in the video. You can also use public audio from the internet archive. There are thousands of free stock footage resources out there. Pexel.com is one of them. You can also use movie scene in some of your videos. Drag and drop the music into your timeline. Find the motivational part and place it on top of the video. Place the video on top of the music. Add text on top of the video. But most importantly, use thumbnail which is attractive, which will help you to get more views on the video.